I know where a sunshine girl, Mammy.
There are just ever so many ways to make children, you know, just, there's, every animal has its own way, and everybody has, for so long, I think, gotten used to the idea that people are the ones that have the weird sex. We don't think about the fact that banana slugs literally have penises that are the size and shape of their entire body. In fact, banana slugs are pretty much just penises. Oddly enough, there are no females. They are do both, and can accept and receive, but sometimes you get a situation in which a banana slug penis is too big for a banana slug vagina, and the penis gets stuck inside the banana slug vagina, and you actually have banana slugs that have to gnaw the penis out of itself.
My family's Korean, partially, and my mom doesn't speak it fluently, but she kind of speaks it.
1, 2, 3. I drum an old gavotte. Under my breath, a noisy sonnet. In the dark, for you. Your whole life is a spectacular circus. Jump out on vibrations. Ride the waves. Trumpets can't drown you. If you are everywhere, in dark and light. 5, 7, 33, a million. I drum, minimalist, in the dark, for you.
Into the jungle with camera and find the pandas having sex and making, because they weren't doing
like the longest minute,
so they had to, I guess, go out into the jungle, like a bamboo jungle, and find the pandas having sex with a camera and film them in the panda coitus.
You can stop now.